Hello friends, today we will review another project which is coming up, which is already launched in Hamilton. So the project name is called the Design District, which has got around 931 units comprising of 3 towers. So all the 3 towers has launched together. So it's like Tower 1, Tower 2 and Tower 3. So 3 towers, and its address is 41 Wilson Street, built by one of the top developer called Emblem Development. The name of the project is called Design District. You can see the elevation here. It's like beautifully done. 3 total towers. So let's get into the projects in detail. So this is how it looks like. So it's in downtown Hamilton. So we'll have a detailed presentation in this. Why Hamilton and why you have to invest in this project, why you have to consider this project as an investment in Hamilton. So one good thing about this project is, like, as all the 3 towers are launched together, so like all the 3 will be available for occupancy together. So normally what happens is, like, when 3 towers launch, like there will be 3 phases. So because it is launched all together in one single phase, so all the occupancy also will be in similar time. So you will get an entry into a fully completed master plan community by investing in this project. So a few things why Hamilton. So the transit is like expanding, and all 3 levels of government, like provincial, municipal as well as federal government, all 3 levels of government are investing heavily in infrastructure in Hamilton. It may be like LRT or even other infrastructure projects also. So when the future like LRT completes, this is going to be here. So this project is actually coming here. So very near to the transit zone. So you can see here it is straight east, as well as this is the Design District here. So James Street north. So this is a Bayfront Park. This is Sam Lawrence Park. So it is in main downtown Hamilton, as well as like easy access to Highway 403 as well. So these are the few of the points which I have mentioned here, like all the nearby attractions in Hamilton. So the project is also very well connected by like existing GO train, like, and Hamilton International Airport is also nearby. So Hamilton GO station is just 3 minutes, and West Harbour GO station is also very nearby. Hamilton LRT, which comes in the future, it's going to be very nearby. So it has got a 97 walk score, 85 transit score, and 3.4 billion Hamilton LRT will be funded by the government. So there are a lot of happening as an infrastructure development. There are a lot of things are happening in Hamilton. So that's what drives the market. Like when there's a heavy investment which is coming up in like infrastructures by the governments. One advantage of this city is, like, all the 3 levels of government, like federal, provincial and municipal government, are involved in building infrastructure and developing and redeveloping, rezoning the area of Hamilton. So which is a long-term project, but it will have a very good impact on the city. So because already the funding is in place by the government. So why choose Hamilton? So because it is number one, it's a robust increase in population and jobs. The jobs are increasing. It is converting from steel city to a tech city. A lot of tech companies are like developing offices, and startup companies are making offices in Hamilton. It's a transit hub. It's a very good perfect transit hub. There is an international airport also in Hamilton. It is ranked, like McMaster University is top ranked, like 10 in Canada. So the revitalization of Hamilton waterfront is most important. Like around 140 million will be invested in redevelopment of the project of Hamilton waterfront. You can see here. So this waterfront will be developed. This West Harbour is a very big project, and this will change the landscape of Hamilton like in years to come. The tech talent ranked top in 5. Like as per the research, Hamilton tops number 5 in the tech talent. So a lot of good quality tech employees are available for tech companies to set up companies in Hamilton. So these all things like drives the real estate market in future in Hamilton. So it's like, when we are investing in pre-construction now, in especially in condos, we are only paying like 10 to 15% down over a period of time. So by the time everything completes, so there will be a good appreciation in pre-construction. So this is the new waterfront. We can see here. So around 150 million we are spending on the redevelopment. This will transform the entire harbor into a beautiful pedestrian-friendly community and a commercial village and public plazas. So there will be like mixed-use transit supportive community also here. So this will give a lot of housing, offices and retail space. So this will change the entire landscape of Hamilton. So it looks beautiful. This is the rendering of what's going to happen as part of the waterfront is concerned. When it comes to the market value, so we can see here what I was mentioning about different level of funding is in place. So around 4 billion invested in new infrastructure, 236,000 projected new residential units in Hamilton, 122,000 projected Hamilton employment growth, 18,500% future condominium market, 34% average resale condo per square feet increase year on year, 13% average increase in sold per square feet year on year. So all the key important points are positive when it comes to Hamilton market. So this is the next market out of GTA. So in Golden Horseshoe, so Hamilton will be placed in a key position in upcoming next 10 to 15 years, 20 years down the line. This will be a fully matured market. Tech talents, when it comes to tech talents, it's ranked number 5 in Canada. If you see, it comes at 1.90 in the tech talent growth, which is equal to Detroit in US in 1.20. Even Seattle in US city is 1.70, Hamilton 1.90. So which is a very good sign for tech talent, and that's the reason a lot of tech companies are setting up offices in Hamilton. So already there are 65,000 students. So McMaster and Mohawk colleges got a huge number of students studying in Hamilton. So which makes even student rental very attractive in the city of Hamilton. The project already under construction and some completed projects by EMBLEM is Art Farm, which is in Mississauga, Arte also in Mississauga under construction, Jarvis Hamilton, that's also under construction, and Capital Work, which is already completed project in Ottawa. So very good boutique builder, EMBLEM development, builds beautiful small and high-rise condominium luxury projects. So it's good to be a part of a well-known financially sound who has got a very good solid background in finance to manage and complete the project. That's more important when choosing the pre-construction project. We have to work with genuine good repeated builders. That's more important when investing in pre-construction. That's the most important factor. And moreover, this is furnished by Louis Vuitton, the lobby, front lobby, and some of the areas are furnished by Louis Vuitton. So they have partnered with Louis Vuitton to get a furnished. This is very important, very exciting. As an EMBLEM, they're getting this project to Hamilton in a different level, no other project at the moment they have in association with the Louis Vuitton. So they're making something different and getting a huge big brand to give a beautiful finishes in some part of the condo project. This is the Keyplate. You can give me a call at my number, or like contact me by email, so I'll be able to give all the details, like all the future, all the floor plans, everything is there, like from studio to 3-bedroom units are available, and there is very good like incentives like extended deposit structure and rental guarantee, maintenance, like some discounts. So there are so many incentives attached to this condo project. So feel free to give me a call at my number so that we can discuss in detail. There is a elevated pool as well in between the towers, so it's a common pool for 3 towers, but it looks beautiful. It's an elevated pool which is coming up in the condo. So you can see here, so totally suites are 931. So 931 suites, 31 levels, 3 towers. So total 19,000 plus indoor and outdoor amenities. So this is just a gist of whatever we discussed. So you can hear, so the envelope has already completed 4,300 units under construction, 3.3 billion like of development value, and as a Hamilton, it's one of the fastest city which is growing in Canada. These are some of the awards which a developer has got. Very reputed developer, since building since long time, and they have got a very good solid backup financials as well. So you really don't have to worry about the builder. So it's a very solid builder in GTA. So these are some of the 1 year maintenance free is there as a limited time. The builder is giving we have negotiated the builder with the builder for our clients to give 1 year free maintenance, and also 1 year rental guarantee, and cap development charges, many more. Feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202. We'll discuss further about all these details. So then from there we can move forward. Thank you so much. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be reviewing all the pre-construction projects which is coming up in GTA as well as out of GTA. So you can make a informed decision when investing in real estate, especially in pre-construction. And thanks so much.